Hi, I've got a really fragrant, exciting dish for you to throw together next time you're at a Roomzzz Aparthotels hotel. It's a spicy king prawn laksa. It's super simple and it is absolutely divine. Okay, first task, we're going to finely slice the courgette. Now, if you can't get hold of courgette, don't worry, we can place that with any vegetable that tickles your fancy. Okay, now the courgette sliced, we're going to put in the Thai green curry paste into the pan, cook that through for a couple of minutes, throw in the courgette, then the coconut milk. Let that cook through for about 10 minutes, throw in the prawns, which I've got already cooked for 5 minutes, and it's pretty much ready to roll. The laksa has been on the heat now 15 minutes. The prawns have been in 5 and nicely warmed through. We're going to throw that into a bowl, top with some chopped chilli, and then you can tuck in. So here we have the spicy king prawn laksa with the easy to pick up ingredients from wherever you are. Perfect to enjoy next time you stay at Roomzzz Aparthotels.